You've landed in Norway, a land of fjords, Vikings, and apparently, a payment system that has the entire nation in its grip. It's called VIPs. You see it everywhere: cafes, taxis, even your grandma's knitting circle probably uses it. So, the burning question is, can a foreigner like you get in on this Norwegian payment party? Let's dive in. Imagine this: you're in a cozy Oslo cafe, sipping hot chocolate, and when it's time to pay, the barista flashes that familiar VIP's QR code. You pull out your phone, ready to impress with your newfound Norwegian payment skills, only to realize you're as lost as a penguin in the Sahara. Well, let's clear the air. VIPs, as convenient as it is primarily designed for Norwegians. To use it, you typically need a Norwegian social security number, a Norwegian bank account, and a Norwegian phone number. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It just doesn't quite work. But don't despair, foreign traveler. Norway, while being a VIPs-obsessed nation, is also quite accommodating to tourists. Most places, especially those frequented by visitors, accept good old-fashioned credit cards. So, don't hesitate to whip out that trusty plastic when needed. And let's talk cash. While Norway is moving towards a cashless society, it's not entirely there yet. You can still find places, especially in smaller towns or rural areas, where cash is king. It's always a good idea to carry some emergency banknotes just in case. Now, there's a silver lining to this VIPs cloud. While you can't personally use it, you can still appreciate its genius. It's a testament to Norway's digital prowess and how far cashless societies have come. And who knows, maybe by the time you return for your next Norwegian adventure, VIPs will have opened its doors wider to foreigners. But until then, focus on enjoying the fjords, the northern lights, and the warm hospitality of the Norwegian people. And remember, while VIPs might be off limits, the magic of Norway definitely isn't. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.